Hi everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can highlight the expired product in our stock using a reference date. So how we can do this, let's learn.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here in this cell, I'll write the reference date, and to make the reference date dynamic, I'll use the today function. So I'll write equal today, open parenthesis, close, and hit enter. So the date will automatically update it in this reference section. Now on the other side we have different products, their expiry date and the stock, and we want to compare these expiry dates with this reference date to highlight the expired stock. We can do this easily using the conditional formatting. For this purpose, I'll select this data. I'll go to the conditional formatting. I'll select new rule. I'll click on this use a formula to determine which cell to format, and here I'll enter the formula. I'll write equal, and for reference I'll select the expiry date of the first product. I will remove the $sign before this row so that it independently apply to all the rows. After this, I'll write the less than sign from my keyboard and select the reference date. To format, I'll click on this format and I'll select this red color to fill so that it just stand out that these products are expired. And after this, I'll click OK and again OK. Now you can see that the products with the expiry date less than this reference date are highlighted. In this way, we can easily sort out the expired and the valid products using this easy method. That's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Got questions or want to see more Excel tricks? Drop a comment below. I would love hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.